Hello and welcome to another episode of Cocktail Hour with Bozworth Beverages. Today we're going to be making a ginger hard cider. Now our ginger beer syrup or our double ginger syrup are a great way to add a little bit of a kick to pretty much any beverage. Today we're going to be using a dry cider for this. So we're going to start out with 2 ounces of our ginger beer syrup. Now, as always, you can do this with the ginger beer syrup or the double ginger syrup, really your preference. And there's 2. Then we're going to go ahead and add the hard cider here. Now we are using a dry cider from Angry Orchard. You want something a little more on the dry side because that syrup is going to add some sweetness to the drink. Okay, add this in here. Now this is a 12-ounce cider, so plus the 2 ounces of syrup is going to give you a 14-ounce drink. And you can do this with an apple cider, pear cider, so many options. And there you go, ginger hard cider. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, today's recipe can be found in a link in the description below the video. And all of our recipes can be found on our website, bozbev.com, in the recipes section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and join us next time on Cocktail Hour.